Hello everyone, this is Leah the Bunny 123 here, or Kitty Cat Craft Studio. But once again, for the so for the 15th trillionth time, I am back on Leah the Bunny 123. I know I can't always be Kitty Cat Craft Studio. I will be on Kitty Cat Craft Studio more once I become a member on that account. But anyway, I just wanted to mention the giveaway again because in the I Got Pranked, They Filmed Me thing, it doesn't mention the giveaway in the title. It only mentions it in the description. And I really want to just mention again, please comment down below. I'll give you one more week to do this. And one more time, I will show you the item that is going to be the giveaway. So, quickly, I'm going to tell you, it's a Zeus. So the prize for the giveaway is going to be a Zeus spiked color. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, here it is. The screen recorder I use doesn't allow me to go smaller than this, so I can't really show it full screen, you know what I mean? But anyway, yep, that's it. And as I mentioned in the video I made like a week ago, what you gotta do is you gotta put your username and you gotta put your favorite color down in the comments. And one person signed up because probably no one else got that it was a giveaway, and I had less subscribers then. I had 34 maybe, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, do that, please do that. Firestar AJ quickly saying that I know you signed up, but the giveaway is going to end in 1 week, but you might get it. So anyone has a chance to get the Zeus spiked color for the giveaway. So I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe. Okay, so please like and subscribe. I only need 2 more followers to reach 40, even though that's like none for all you famous jammers out there, and for the people of like 200. But you know, it's okay for me because I only started like 3 or 4 months ago, and I'm 10, so yeah. But anyway, please subscribe and like, and maybe, just maybe click that notification bell just to know if I post. And I post sometimes, usually every day. I don't really have a post schedule, so sometimes I post once a day, sometimes I post twice a day, sometimes I even post 3 times a day, sometimes I just don't post at all for like a week, but I at least post once a month, but usually more. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Have a good day, and bye!